So we are Keith and Jen Russell, and we are Empty Nest Nomads. See Pete's, we are going to go next door to the Guy Harvey Resort and check out their happy hour sunset shooters.
Shooters
Indeed. Alright, just another exciting adventure here with Keith Russell in the Empty Nester Nomad beginning series. We are in St. Petersburg.
in monsoon season.
I have yet to see the sun.
And the weather forecast seems to think it's going to be like... We need to make this quick because... Yeah, because I have to do some moon dancing on the beach.
Oh, we're talking already?
Moon walking on the beach. What a fascinating group.
A little person who's a waiter. Is that okay to say?
No.
It is. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No. You can't go near anywhere like that.
It's sunset in St. Petersburg. Very cool. And this is where we're going for dinner. Oops, up here. How do we do that? Up top there. Okay, so another great idea of Keith is to come to this bar, the outdoor bar. As you can see, it's a great, even the waiter is laughing at Keith. You see the waiter? He's laughing at Keith. My husband, he knows how to have a really good time. Empty Nest Nomads.
Good time. Hey Beth, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh! It did jump on you! Don't let it like bite your face. Oh my god.
You guys remember when the song first came on? We were in my basement in the disco bar, and we had never heard it before, and we danced to it at the Swim and Drunken Luncheon. And it's for our appropriate friends for two.
Two. I've had 2 drinks. It's also only had,
Sister Mary Teresa.
as you can see, it's only had 2 drinks.
Actually, I've only had one.
Yes, we are booze travelers. It is true.
Well, I'm not sure. It doesn't seem like other people who do videos, the other women like do it without makeup. I don't have my hair done. I don't need makeup on. My fortunes might be showing.
But I like where my belly looks when I'm lying flat.
I know. I was thinking, I wonder if we look thinner. You have to suck in your belly.
And we have to do some...
You're the best. So we just want to make a video before we go, in case we get eaten.
Big Cat Adventure.
We're going to go on the Big Cat Adventure.
It's actually Big Cat Rescue Center.
We will let you know how to get. We'll take some pictures while we're there.
Yes, we will.
Alright, Empty Nest Nomads out. So today was a really cool day.
Very cool day.
We went to the Big Cat Wildlife Refuge.
Rescue. Big Cat Rescue in Tampa.
And so that's what you just saw. We're going to show you some video of that. And that was pretty amazing. That was the closest I've ever seen any like exotic panthers, jaguars, mountain lions. What else did they have?
Lynxes,
Panthers, yeah.
All sorts of things. Every cat you can imagine. And they're all rescued.
Yeah, so like people that thought that they could raise exotic animals. Not to be political, but it was a cool experience. It was cool something to do. That's about probably it for our Florida video. So stay tuned for more Empty Nest Nomads. We're out.